Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757, working with a nice gentleman. He has a Nissan Rogue 2020. He said he hears some kind of strange noise. The vehicle will not start. I have my probe on the battery. The battery needs a minimum of 9 volts when he hits that starter or hits the button to start the vehicle. Minimum. It takes a minimum of 5 volts inside the vehicle to have everything running in there. So that has nothing to do with the engine starting. You need a minimum of 9 volts when you hit that button. It's going to draw down, which is called a load. So the gentleman, if you'd be so kind, sir, and try to start the vehicle, and you're going to hear a click noise. Nothing?
No.
The reason why the gentleman didn't hear anything, because this is below the 9 volts. So, sir, if you'd be so kind and hold this and just keep that right there on the battery. I'm going to go ahead and put a jumper on here. We're going to give the vehicle proper power. Also, he has a lot of green boogers. I'm going to have to clean all that off for him. That will prohibit his power on his vehicle from getting the full flow of electricity. So now I'm going to take this jumper, which will be in the description. Very good. You can, when the power goes out in your house, you can charge up your phone. There's your fast charger, slow charger. And now I'm going to, and this will be in the description. You don't have to walk around with a battery pack. This one has capacitors in it. So this one actually, for me, is a lot better, a lot smaller, and very nimble when the power goes out or I'm on a trip. With that being said, see the nice green light, red to red, black to black. You should hear a click on this. And now go ahead and start your vehicle up, sir. Imagine that. Just imagine that. Just a simple battery to keep you from starting. When your battery is low, it will make a clicking noise. I need to make sure, and I'm going to do a diagnostic on his alternator and anything else. With that being said, this concludes the video, because this is just to show you your battery. If it's too low, it will make a clicking noise when you're trying to start the vehicle. That is your starter. There you go, click. That is your starter. Doesn't have enough power. The Bendex came out, but it cannot spin. Your starter has 2 points. It actually comes out, which is the Bendex, and then it starts to rotate on the flywheel or the flex plate and spinning it to start the engine. He did not have enough power because his battery was below 9 before he even put a load on and hit the starter. And you use this to start. This will actually be in the description of the video. And speak for itself. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave positive comments and great advice. And if there's any tools that you want us to try out, or any kind of software or anything like that, our information will be in the video, and we'll give you a live shout out to everybody who does that, because we're starting to get a lot of tools and stuff being given to us and testing things out.